Dear students, in this video now we will learn how to attend Zoom meeting. How to attend a Zoom meeting to attend online classes. Okay? You already have installed the Zoom app in your laptop or desktop computer. Now, how you will use this app to attend online classes? See here. First of all, you will see in your computer this icon. This icon you will see. Start the Zoom application. That shortcut is given on your desktop. In the computer screen, you will see this icon. Understand? This icon you will see. Okay? Then click join a meeting where it is written here. It is written here, join a meeting. So you have to do what? You have to click on join a meeting. When you will click on this join a meeting, after clicking this, then what you will see? You will see this screen. Here you will be prompted to enter the meeting ID. You have to enter the meeting ID. You have to enter your name. Then have to join meeting. Your host will send you a meeting ID, and that meeting ID have to put here in this box. Understand? Then you have to write your name here. You have to type your name here, full name, and you may click this box. If you click this box, then your name will be remembered by the computer for future meetings. For future meeting, you have no need to type your name. If you click this box, it will be there. The computer will remember. But remember one thing, that is, you must not click on these two boxes. You must not click on these two boxes, this box and this. You must not click these two boxes. Why? If you click on this box, then your audio will not be connected to the host, or you will not be able to hear the sound of the host or other participant attending the meeting or the class. If you click on this box, your video will not be appear in the meeting, or you will not be able to see the video of other participants or the host of the meeting. So please do not click on these two boxes. You avoid to click on these two boxes. Remember, do not click on these two boxes. Do not click. Click here to remember your name for future meetings. Understand? So important thing in this screen is to put the meeting ID here and to write your name here. After that, you have to click on this join button. You have to click on this join button. When you will click on this, what will appear? The screen will show this. You will be prompted to enter your meeting password. Your host will send you a password, and you have to put that password here in this box. When you will type this password here, then you can see here join meeting. After putting this password, it will be visible, join meeting. Then you have to click on join meeting. After clicking here join meeting, you will automatically join the meeting. The computer will show you a message, that is, please wait, the meeting host will let you in soon. That means who will arrange the meeting or the class, he will allow you to enter in the meeting. When he will allow you, then you can see this screen in your also. This is a screen of the host. This is the host who is switched off his video. You can see here the video button. He switch off his video. He switch off his video, and that is why his photograph is appearing here. You can see these two buttons. One is that of video, another is audio, or this is mic and this is video. Since a mark is there, the host have clicked here, that is why his video is off, and you can see here a red mark, cross red mark, which means the video is off. But here in the mic there is no any mark, that means his microphone is unmuted, it is on. So if you click here in this mic, then there will appear a cross mark. There will appear a cross mark, means the mic is muted. Understand? When you will click here, once again this mark will disappear and the video will on. So when you will attend a class, remember, if you switch off your video, then your data expenditure will be less, and you should mute your mic. You have to click, one click means muted, another click means unmuted. When your teacher will ask you to unmute, you click here, it will be unmuted. When he asks you to switch on your video, you have to click here, it will automatically on, and your photo will appear in the screen. Understand? You will appear here. Then you see here in the screen, you can see here in the right hand side top. If you click on this, then you can see all persons attending in the meeting. Understand? So as one person is waiting, so host will allow him to enter in the meeting. Here one person is waiting and host will allow him. When host will allow him, he will enter. Then you see here here is one icon where written it is participants. If you click here, then you can see how many participants are attending the meeting. Here you can see 2 is written. That means 2 participants are attending the meeting. Understand? So you can see that if you click this, then you can see who are the 2 persons. These are the 2 persons attending the meeting. These are the 2 persons. Understand? These are the 2 persons attending the meeting. The first one, his video is off, mic is on. Another one, video is off, mic is on. Understand? Then you can see in the screen another icon, that is set box. It is written CHAT set. If you click on this, then you will see what? In the right hand side of the screen, you will see this set box. You see here set. Here you can set with the host or to other participants. In this set box, you can type any message to the participants or to the host. You can write any question, you can put any question, which question can be responded by the host immediately. So this is the minimum requirement that you need to attend a online class. Okay?